In the heart of innovation, where dreams are forged into reality, stands an OEM and ODM home appliances manufacturing company with technical excellence and unwavering commitment to quality. Welcome to the successful saga of Comrade Appliances Limited. With a legacy etched in excellence, we have achieved credible and consistently remarkable growth trajectory. From smart air coolers to portable water heaters, from desert coolers to washing machines, our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant is well equipped to roll out in-house air cooler motors, geyser tanks and assembly plates. Our competent team produces innovative and outstanding products every day. Our high-precision craftsmanship, engineering elegance and total quality management resonates throughout our assembly lines, injection molding shops, conveyor lines, heavy machine infrastructure and entire production line facility. From best-in-class raw materials to final dispatch, our finished goods are flawless and perfect, pushing the limits of aesthetics and functionality. Comrade Appliances has a fervent dedication to research and development in their testing labs. In these pathways of technology, our team of experts, engineers and professional managers embrace the challenges posed by ever-evolving industry landscape and digitization. Our company's leadership is exemplary under the mentorship of our dynamic MD. Adorned with accolades and certifications, our journey echoes with the applause of success. We don't just manufacture, we create benchmarks. The masterpiece isn't just the product. It's the relationships we nurture. Our esteemed clients aren't just customers, they are our partners in progress. At Comrade Appliances Limited, it's a symphony of mutual trust and innovation, where warmth and coolness blend together to make everyone's life comfortable with our superior products. As the sun rises on their illustrious past and vibrant present, Comrade Appliances Limited's future gleams with promise, illuminating their path with the brilliance of their innovation and competence. Connect with us on www.comrade.net.in. Email info@comrade.net.in. Call us on 022 2677 4523